walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, riding around hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
You guys, this is the last day of school. I don't know what I'm gonna call this vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna call this a last day of school vlog or whatever. But Kalia don't really care how she go to school looking because it's the last day of school. And she's gonna be a little late probably, which I'm sure, do you care, Kalia?
I'm late every day to this bus. I'm late every day.
So she's wearing my shirt, you guys. She's always wearing my clothes. I don't know why.
I always wear their clothes because their clothes be cuter than mine. And matter of fact, because I like comfortable clothes.
Who's they?
You and my daddy.
Oh yeah, you do always wear these clothes.
I always wear y'all clothes and look like
I thought you were talking about your brother.
I wear all y'all clothes, honestly.
So today she don't really care how she look.
When I run out of clothes to wear, I'll switch over to y'all. And I'm gonna just start buying.
You actually don't run out of clothes. You actually have way too many clothes. So when she put her shirt on, I'll show you guys what she's wearing. I don't know why she's ironing on the bed when we have an ironing board. That's because she's running late. But this is what she's wearing to school. Mississippi representing, because y'all know we from Mississippi.
People at school call me Little Mississippi.
So usually she could not wear these shorts to school because
actually we can. They just because they mid thigh, then we can wear them. But
they what?
They're mid thigh. As long as they mid thigh, then we can wear them.
Those the shoes you're wearing, Kalia?
Probably. I want to wear some slides.
You might want to get your black tennis shoes because it's supposed to rain today.
It's actually not. I checked the weather. It's supposed to be sunny all day. I want to wear slides because we're gonna be outside. On my feet sweating. I did really good. I used these flat irons today.
How does it feel to be your last day of school, Kalia?
I'm
really clear.
mic check, 1 2 1 2. Well, I would like to thank my parents for encouraging me to go to school every day.
Really clear.
My brother for just being there. My teachers for being real smooth with me this year. I'm a sophomore, but today's the last day. When I leave these doors, I'm gonna be a junior. Anyway, baby girl. Anyway, I'm very excited because I do not want to go to school anymore. I'm ready for summer, for the tee up. I'm gonna turn up. If you didn't know what tee up meant. But anyway, I'm gonna turn up. I'm gonna live my best life this summer. Get ready for junior year. Buy some really cute clothes. And yeah, I'm ready for senior year.
I think your alarm went off because
it is.
I think it's saying.
Get out the door now. All my alarms say something. Let me show y'all what they said all year. For real. I had to cut some of them off because it was too much. Let me show y'all. So the first one says rise and grind sweet cakes. And then it says rise and grind sweet cakes. And then if I didn't get up at 5:40, it'll say, why aren't you up yet?
I don't want to see the brush.
Oh my bad. It'll say, why aren't you up yet? And then 5:50 says get up before you miss the bus now. Ignore that emoji. And then it says at 6:10 get out the shower, you have 20 minutes. And then it says at 6:20 10 minutes. Really clear. Stupid. And then at 6:30
really clear.
6:30 get out the door now. And then 6:35 and now I'm just disappointed. Ugh, bye. And then at 6:40 yeah, you definitely missed the bus, buddy. And there you go.
Okay, so you definitely need to get out of the house because I'm definitely not going to drop you off at school.
When I can leave at 6:35. I'm not gonna be late. I'll leave at 6:35 every day.
So I will pick you guys up after school today because my mom and dad will be here today. Grandma and granddaddy will be here today.
Yay! No, for real, I'm really excited.
And they're bringing the hot tamales.
Oh!
So
you can pick me up then. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick you up. So she's about to leave, and then Khalid, you got candy. You got nerds on the side of your bed over there.
Exposing somebody? Like,
I mean, you need to take that candy and put it in the trash. You exposing yourself.
What case should I wear today? This one?
Should she do a little case collection, you guys? She don't have that many.
I don't. I need to buy some more. Just a few more.
Khalid, you look like you're about to go to sleep, not to school.
Or should I wear my Go case? Now, I know I'm going to need a lot of videos for everybody. Let's see.
Yeah, you should probably wear the Go case. Oh yeah, you guys, this is the gold case. So yeah.
Yeah, more of this case. So.
Okay, so I'll just see you after school.
Okay, sweetie.
Peace out.
See my grandparents. Bye.
So he's ready for school. Good morning, son.
Good morning.
He has to do his hair. It's the last day of school. He's in his bathroom. How does it feel to be your last day of school?
It feels good.
It feels good.
Yeah.
What grade are you in now?
After this grade, I'll be in high school.
What's high school? What's that?
9th grade.
9th grade. He's gonna be in the 9th grade, y'all. Y'all know he's the quarterback of the football team. I was gonna try to vlog some of this stuff, but then you guys will see his school, and it has to stay private, of course. So he will be going to the same school Khalil going to. Khalil will be going to the, I was gonna say to the 8th. Khalil will be going to the 11th, and he will be going to the 9th. So he's just doing his hair. So they have to wear a uniform in his school, unfortunately. But next year, when he go, not next year, when the school start back?
August.
It starts back in August. So in August, he will not have to wear uniforms. I'm just all over the place on this vlog. I'm doing stuff like down at my feet. So he's just doing his hair. Yeah, if y'all didn't see his, what was it called? I was gonna say prom.
Formal.
What is it called?
Formal.
If y'all didn't see his formal, it'll be linked down below in the description. Go check it out. Give him a thumbs up. Give him some love. Let me see how you look this morning. Turn around, let me see you. Your shirt a little big, but it's the last day of school, so whatever. You really shouldn't even give a shit how you look, to be honest. So this is his little, you know what I'm saying, his little OTD. You got your chain? I can't even see it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's his little chain. What is that? You don't have nothing on it, the football or the helmet?
No.
He has a football and a helmet, you guys. So yeah, he's ready. This is how he looking the last day of school, y'all. This is how he looking. So, peace. Y'all, we at my sister's house. Here goes the man with the treats. At my sister's house. Hi.
Good. You?
Ice cream? Yes.
Okay.
I want.
Okay.
Well, let's see what you got.
Okay. What can I do for you? Caramelo is no.
I want this one.
Okay.
How much?
$1.50.
How you say $1.50? Uno?
$1.50.
Yeah.
Uno what?
Yeah.
$2.
Two.
$1.50.
How you,
$1.50.
how you say 150?
Es
Uno.
150. Uno.
50.
50. Uno 50. Ah! Okay. This what I want. This what I want. What you getting me?
Este es $2. Everything $1.50.
$1.50.
What is $1.50?
That's what.
So as you guys can see, these are hot tamales that came from Mississippi. And they also send the seasonings, of course. So you guys know I don't eat beef anymore, so I'll just let them eat them. These are so fucking good, you guys. Like, if you're ever in Mississippi, definitely stop by and get you some hot tamales because these are bomb. Like, bomb.com. And the way my parents do them, they freeze them like the day before they come, and you just boil some water and you put them in there standing straight up, and some seasonings to just make it like more fresh, as if you were getting them from the place. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all because these are fire. Too bad I can't eat any because I don't eat beef anymore, so I'll just simply watch them like indulge, and I'll just sit on the sideline and eat my food while they eat these bomb ass hot tamales.
Press, 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 press. Cardi don't need more press. And you quit my daughter.
The black ones you got.
I headed into my niece's graduation. Waiting on my mom, my dad, And my sisters, they are not here yet. What she say? He don't want to be weighed out, their daddy. Y'all, my mom and daddy got bad knees and I don't want to be walking all the way down here. I don't even know if y'all can see my mom and daddy. There they go, right there. It's my mom and my dad. Niecy. Kalia.
Thank you for being here and helping us make
Right there, with the ponytail.
On behalf of the administration and it is with great pride I certify these students that they completed the course requirements for graduation as set forth by the Texas Education Agency. And I would like to recommend the class of 2019 for graduation.
She can't walk in the hill.
Whitney Crosby.
Yes, Hunty. Ow. Yes, Hunty.
Gonna be no more laughing. You see me whip out, cause I'm gonna be the shot me a nigga. No cap. I don't follow no bitches, I'm not.
We are headed into the Cheesecake Factory because this is where my niece wanted to come for lunch. So we're about to eat here. My little family, honey.
You ever been here before? Ooh, it's a cheesecake. No way.
I did end up getting the Georgia peach. It looks just like this.
Wash your fingers.
She said,
Chicken and bread. Chicken and biscuits. But this didn't look like this last time. That's what I'm saying. The chicken breast was way bigger. It was one big chicken breast.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.